The unscientific and inappropriate management of crop residues, practice of crop residue burning not only caused adverse effect on environment but also on human and soil health. On the other hand, declining organic carbon in majority of Indian soils is emerging as a threat to sustainable food grain production. To provide the scientific solution of these problems, the Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal, under Natural Resource Management Division of ICAR, has developed several technologies to convert these available crop residues into valuable organic fertilizers which may supplement 5.68 million metric tons of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium for crop production. Vermicomposting is method of converting organic wastes, crop residue, cattle dung, etc. into organic fertilizer using earthworm. The earthworm species such as Icenia fetida, Eudrilus eugenia and Perionyx excavatus are suitable for vermicomposting. To prepare vermicompost in a pit of size 10 by 4 by 3 feet, length, breadth and height, constructed above the ground in a shaded place, farm waste and cattle dung is mixed in equal proportion and left for 15 to 20 days for partial decomposition and temperature stabilization. Earthworms are introduced at 800 to 1000 adult worms per pit. Adequate water is sprinkled over pit and covered with jute bag. This technique converts the agro wastes into vermicompost within 100 days. Application of vermicompost augments soil microbial activities and improves soil health. For small farmers having 1 or 2 cattle, ready-made Cipollin vermibed will be more economical. In another technology for preparing composts from crop residues and cattle dung, these two are mixed in equal proportion and urea at 1 kg per quintal is added. The pit is covered with polythene sheet to maintain moisture and allow the decomposition to proceed. The composting material is turned 2 to 3 times during the composting period at interval of 15 days. Using this technique, the compost gets ready within 110 to 120 days. To decrease the length of composting period, efficient microbial cultures can be added so that more quantity of crop residue can be recycled within shorter time. To further improve the quality of the compost, rock phosphate at 5 kg per quintal during composting or agriculturally important beneficial microbes or microbial biocontrol agents can be added at the end of composting. The application of compost in field improves soil health and nutrient use efficiency of the applied fertilizers besides improving biodiversity of the soil. With the research efforts of the scientists, a new composting technique called Wrapper composting has been developed for composting of vegetable wastes from urban mandis. Here, a consortium of microbes capable of degrading lignocellulosic materials at higher temperature is added in a wrapper composter. In recent years, due to crop intensification, crop residue burning has emerged as a big problem in the country. To combat this problem, the Institute has developed in situ decomposition technique for rice, wheat residue. Here, the decomposer culture is sprayed over the residue. 30 kg of urea and 4 tons of cattle dung is spread in the field and entire material is incorporated using a rotavator. The field is irrigated immediately and left for decomposition for 30 days. During this period, the residue will be converted to organic fertilizer in field itself. For the convenience of the farmers, the Institute has also formulated these microbial preparations in gelatin capsules. Farmers can easily activate these cultures at their farm and apply in the field. Using this in situ decomposition technique, the organic carbon and soil fertility gets improved. To improve the problems related to soil health and crop husbandry, the Institutes of Natural Resources Management Division of ICAR strives to connect to each and every farmer to uplift their economic status and build empowered nation.